If you are struggling with your wheel pose or you just want to improve your back bends, then this video is just for you. So let's begin. We're gonna start at the center of our mat. Take a big inhalation, raise your arms up, interlace your fingers and push your upper body towards the sky, stretching your entire body. Now exhale, release the hand, separate your feet wider, interlace your fingers once again, take a big inhalation, and as you exhale, bend towards the left side. Open up your chest towards the front. Now inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, bend towards the right. Again inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, bend towards the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, bend towards the right. Again inhale, come back to the center, and now come to the front of your mat. Inhale, raise your arms up once again, interlace your fingers and bend backward as much as you can. This is the first back bend of the session, so take it easy, don't force yourself. Inhale and slowly exhale. Come back to the center and bend forward, half forward fold. Slowly exhale out and come to full forward fold. Jump back or step back to Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, upward facing dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. You can bend the knees one by one here to warm up the back side of your legs, hamstrings and calves. Now inhale, step your right foot forward and turn the left foot towards the front. Left arm reaches up and you can straighten the arm towards the front. Feel the stretch on the left side of your body, left inner thigh. Now slowly release the hand. Slowly come down to half pigeon pose. Right knee in between your palms. You can place 1 or 2 blocks under your back thigh to modify the pose. And keep your weight centered. Do not lean towards the right side. Keep breathing for a few more seconds. Now slowly bend the back knee and hold the back ankle with your left hand. Hold the pose. You can feel the stretch on your quads now, an extra stretch in your hip flexors. Now raise the right arm up and go for the bind. The left foot is in the fold of your left hand at the elbow. Hold the pose. If you find it difficult, then you can continue to fold the previous pose. Be gentle with yourself. Keep breathing. Now slowly release the pose and step the right foot back into downward facing dog. Now inhale, step the left foot forward, turn the right foot towards the front. Feel the stretch on the right side of your body, right inner thigh. Take a deep breath in and exhale out. Bring the hand down and come to half pigeon pose. Modify the pose whenever you need. You can place 1 or 2 blocks under your back thigh if it doesn't reach the ground. Inhale and slowly exhale out. Now bend the back knee, hold the back ankle with your right hand and hold the pose. Feel the stretch in your quads and hip flexors. You can bring the foot as close to your glutes as you can to feel extra stretch. You can continue to hold the pose or you can go for the bind and come to mermaid pose. Hold the pose. Feel the deepening in your back bend. We're gonna hold it for a few more seconds. Keep breathing. Now slowly release the bind. Step your left foot back into downward facing dog. Slowly walk towards the front and come to forward fold. Completely release your upper body. Slowly inhale, come back to standing, raise your arms up. Exhale, forward fold. Again, jump back to Chaturanga Dandasana and come to 4-point kneeling. We're gonna do cat and cow. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Let's warm up our back for the next few poses. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. Do it within your own pace. Few more times. Inhale, arch. Exhale, round. From here, straighten your left leg at the back and right hand towards the front. Hold the pose. Maintain a straight line. Push them away from each other. Feel the strength in your back. Now slowly exhale, bring the hand and leg down, and when you inhale, reach them up. Repeat it few more times. Last one, inhale up, and now bend the knee and hold the ankle with your right hand and slowly lift the leg as high as you can. You can tuck your toe if you find it difficult to balance. Look towards the front. Now slowly release the leg and bring them down. Let's repeat with the other side. Straighten the right leg and left hand. Push them away from each other. Engage your core and hold. Inhale, and as you exhale, bring them down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Repeat this few more times. Last one, inhale up, and now bend the back knee Hold the ankle with your left hand and lift the leg as high as you can. Tuck your toe to balance. Look towards the front. Slowly release the pose and come to child pose to relax for a moment. Take a deep breath in and slowly exhale out. Feel the lengthening in your entire back. From here, round forward and lie down on your stomach. Now inhale, lift your chest up. Use your back muscles to lift up. Exhale down. Inhale, lift up again and exhale, come down. Repeat this movement few more times and then we're gonna hold the Bhujangasana. Last one, inhale, lift up, squeeze your back, hold the Bhujangasana. Take a deep breath in and as you exhale, slowly come back down. Interlace your fingers at the back or you can place them beside your hips. Now slowly lift your upper body and lower body at the same time. Exhale, bring them down. Again, inhale, lift up. Exhale, down. Inhale, lift up, thighs off the mat. Exhale, down. Again, lift up. Exhale, down. Once more, inhale, lift up and hold. Squeeze your core. Don't let the legs fall down. Now exhale and slowly come down. Again, inhale, lift your chest up and hold the cobra pose. You don't have to squeeze your back now. Just hold the pose and feel the deepening in your back bend. Slowly release the pose and come to child pose once again to lengthen up our spine. Again, slowly round forward and lie down on your stomach for the last time. Bend the knees and hold your ankles. Inhale, lift your legs up, exhale down. Inhale, lift up, exhale down. Once again, inhale, lift up, exhale down. Lift up, exhale down. Lift up and down. Inhale, lift up and hold the pose now. Lift up as high as you can. Feel the back bend. Now slowly release the pose and come to puppy pose. Stretch your arms forward. Place your chest on the ground or forehead on the ground. And hold the pose. Feel the lengthening in your lower back. Now slowly release the pose and lie down on your back. Feet closer to your hips And when you inhale, lift your glutes as high as you can. To do a will pose, bring your hands beside your head and press them against the floor and lift your hips as high as you can. You can place your head on the ground if you cannot do the full will pose. Eventually, with practice, you can do it. Now, slowly release the pose and hug your knees and bring both of your knees towards the left side and look towards the right. Enjoy the gentle twist after a deep back bend. Now repeat the twist on the other side. Slowly come back to the center and sit down. Thank you so much for joining. Take care.